Hi, thanks for checking out this short video. My name is Josh, I'm the founder of The Social Pixel, and I want to introduce a unique B2B LinkedIn done-for-you service that's generating really high quality leads at the moment. Now, if this is something of interest to you, then I really encourage you to reach out and have a short conversation with us to discuss whether it's a good fit for your industry. But bottom line is, if your target market is on LinkedIn, then this is going to work for you better than anything else out there, and it's definitely going to be cheaper than paid advertising on Google or Facebook. So I quickly want to run through the scope of what exactly it is that we do for you. So the first thing is that we do is rewrite your profile, and we're going to make it very desirable and very appealing. Typically, people make a lot of mistakes in their profile, so we focus here essentially on two things. One is the headline, and the second is your summary, which I like to think of as a sales letter. So what we want to do is rewrite the headline and summary so it's very eye-catching, it's benefit-driven, and it's outcome-orientated, and it really lets the person know what it is that you have to offer. So you can see on my profile I've created a clear message that shows exactly what we offer, and my summary enables users to read a little bit more and find out how to contact me. So that's the first thing that we do. We really want to make your profile attractive to prospects, so it is more of a sales letter than a sort of traditional resume layout. Now the next thing that we're going to do once we've got your LinkedIn profile up to speed, and it's very desirable and it's very easy for people to respond to, is we're going to build your target audience. Now with the Sales Navigator, it's very easy to do that. I'll give you an example of a finance services company that we're working with at the moment. They want to approach SME owners, property developers and things like that. So we simply enter the job title in here. This can be managing director, founder, owner, and then we enter the location. So if the user suggests a particular area, then we'll focus on that. Otherwise, we'll focus on the UK. The number of years that have been in the position is normally a good indication that the business is a bit more established, so we might focus on 3 years plus or 6 years plus in this particular instance. And we also normally add the head count in here as well to reduce us reaching out to companies that are just starting out. You can see straight away that this brings up a nice lookup that we can then start connecting with users straight away. So that is really the second step. Once we've updated your profile and got that to where it's really benefit orientated and we're letting people know what it is that you do, we're going to then reach out to a minimum of 30 of these prospects every day. Now that is going to be like having a sales team. We've tried telemarketing in the past, and you're very rarely going to be able to reach 30 prospects in a week, let alone every day. So now that we've sent 30 connection requests per day, a good percentage of those are going to accept the invitation, and then we're going to be able to send them a personalized instant message. This is direct marketing. We're not talking about building up authority here or running groups or any of that kind of stuff. We're talking about getting in touch with someone who is looking for your solution and offering it to them straight away. So if I just show you some of the typical responses we're currently getting so you know what to expect, you can see some of the replies we're getting here, and we're trying to get the conversation started on your behalf with decision makers who are obviously able to make decisions. You can see here, hi Josh, yes that could be interesting, tell me more, yes I'm interested in that, give me a bell on my mobile, sounds good, let's talk. Hi pal, yes that sounds interesting, maybe we should have a chat. I may be looking for more investors as either joint venture partners or angel investors. Always interested, and then they've put their mobile number below. So when someone says that they're interested, this is where we would allow you to take over the sales process. We're currently getting responses from around 15% of our messages, so you can realistically expect to receive between 3 to 10 leads per week. It does depend on your industry, but I hope you can see the value that LinkedIn can bring to your business, and we're going to do this completely on your behalf. Now, what if someone doesn't respond back what do we do then? Well, the great thing is we follow up directly within LinkedIn. Now, obviously, not everyone is going to respond back, so what we do is wait for a week or so and send them another message saying something like, hey, I sent you a message a little while back, just following up to see if it's something that you're interested in. So it's almost like an email autoresponder inside of LinkedIn that we're running on your behalf. And we are doing all of this for you, so the only time you have to get involved is when someone says that they're interested and want to discuss your services in more detail. So like I said, we're going to update your profile to make it very attractive. We're going to build your audience for you, and we're going to contact that audience We're going to follow up with them until they're interested, and we're going to do all of this on your behalf at a rate that's insignificant to a lot of industries that are using paid advertising. There's no ad spend involved. It's not like AdWords or Facebook ads where you've got to pay for ads. And the other thing here that I'd like to point out is that we're getting 100% deliverability. So there's no spam filters within LinkedIn. So when somebody connects with us, it's 100% guaranteed that that message we send them is going to be seen. Now, of course, they might not read it. We can't guarantee that, but we can guarantee that it's going to show up in their inbox. So if this is something that you are interested in exploring further and seeing whether or not it could work for you, then I do encourage you to book a call below, and we can have a short conversation and see if it's right for you, and if it is, then we can move forward, and if it's not, then no hard feelings. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.